Hello everyone, my name is Amir. I recently got a job as a big data engineer through Fortray in ITC London. I was actively looking for a job, but getting selected for interview was very difficult. So one day I came across Fortray on Google and I checked their website and had a detailed call to understand their program. So it felt like a great opportunity to learn new skills and refresh what I already knew. So I decided to join. So there was a course where you will learn new skills. So for me, as I have choose data analyst, so it was Python, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Advanced Excel. Then each and every course they were having project. Then there was a master project. Then after that also there were multiple projects you will work on. So if I talk about after the course completion, you have to do the certification, and after certification they will start doing your marketing. So Fortray assigned me a dedicated recruiter who supported me from day one. So before marketing my profile, they took internal interview to assess my skills and helped me to improve my CV and LinkedIn profile and guided me through the job application process. So I applied almost daily 25 to 30 jobs, and same my recruiter also did from their side. So for every interview, I used to share full feedback, and they helped me prepare better for the next one. So before each interview, they discussed job descriptions, and they shared the sample question answer, which will help you to boost your confidence. So my biggest challenge was not getting selected in the interviews after having a good interview, and it was a very frustrating that time. But Fortray keep motivating me and reminding me to stay focused and prepare for the next opportunities. So yes, absolutely. Based on my successful journey, I highly recommend Fortray. So their program not only prepares you for interviews, but also build a strong foundation through their courses and internal project. Thank you.